Hey guys, it's me. And today we're gonna have a ginormous opening. Look. That's this ball right here. I've always wanted one of these Glam Glitter series. And also this American Girl thing right here. And we have a guest with us, Luciana. Oopsies. So what we're first gonna be opening is this Glam Glitter. 1. Okay, so her code is Glitter Bomb. Yep, it's Glitter Bomb. So now we're gonna do the second one, just like that. Oh my gosh, this is hard to open, guys. And we have the stickers. Okay, we got that one off right here. So now we just need to do this. Oh, it looks like we got it black. Is that open? Let's move that out of the way. And we are going to open up the second layer. I love LFL dolls. Comment down below if you do too. Okay. Got the first one open. Well, not the first one open. We got the first one out, but not open. Okay, we got the whole thing undone. Now we just need to take all the surprises out on the outside. I think that's all. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And there we go. Okay, we're gonna take that, and all the surprises out. Get the ball out of the way, the chains and stuff. So then we can open these up. Oh, that's pretty. It's a leopard shirt. I think I have an idea of who we got, but it's probably not her. We got some nice little glasses, which are adorable. Let's get that trash out of the way. Try not to look at this because we don't want to see what we got. Don't want to open that. Got a nice glittery bottle. It's shiny. It's hard to open, guys. Sometimes. And we got little nice cute booties. Got the direction sheets, we don't need that. Oh my gosh! Look at her, guys! She is so adorable. So we got Cherry. She's a common. And she looks so fancy. Do you agree? Put it in the comment section down below. So I love who I got. She's just the most cutest thing ever. And I just love what she comes with. The cute sunglasses, the cheetah t-shirt, and the shorts. And even the shoes are cute. So let's get on to the next opening. Come on, Cherry. So next we are opening up the swim set. It comes with sunglasses, a bucket, tools for the bucket, sandals, swimsuit, a bag, and stuff for the receipt. So let's get it open. I'm gonna open it off camera. So I finally got it done. Show it to them. Da-ding! So I'm gonna go ahead and dress her up off camera. I need a beach day. No, not yet. We need to show it off. So she has a little bucket right here. And she has a little bag where she can put the blanket in. And she also has little toys inside. And you can make her hold it like this. And she also has glasses. But this bathing suit is so cute, but the shoes are so tight, but you don't need the thing that holds it on, right? But it's still hard with the heels. So just beware of that. So bye-bye, Luciana. Bye. I need a beach day. So now we are opening up my home, but it has bad guys in it. Ooh, I hate bad guys. Put some comments down below. Say pie if you hate monsters also. So let's go ahead and open this up. Look how much boxes there are. We have to build all of this, guys. So I'm definitely not doing this on camera. Bye-bye. Oh, I fainted. Yeah, I know. We have so much gold. And I'm just gonna lay that on the floor there. Let's shoot the cannon. I need to test it. Okay. Boom. Hit a young lady, didn't I? Yep. Okay. Need to go get her. You hurt me. Oh, I'm sorry, miss. What is your name? I got a concussion. Ow, ow, ow. Are you okay? No. Okay, you killed her. Gold spilled. Thank you for watching our video. I loved making this video with 3 openings. And I had so much fun. I hope you enjoyed the skit, and I definitely hope you enjoyed the 3 openings. Bye!